I'm changing inner and outer tires. So this for inner, this for the outer. Let's take the wheel off. Okay, so this is the outer. It's from 08 Nissan Altima. Okay, so let's get this loose. Number 19. Get the hammer. Okay, so after you make it loose, we need to take off this this part. So couple of hits, nut is out. Get the bottom bolt, I mean nut, off, lift it and unscrew it. So I don't really feel the plate, but over here is totally shot. Oh, they said need to be changed because it's bended, so maybe inside there is good, but because of the accident that it was like under carriage. So we need to pull it out from right here. Okay. So usually with the hammer there is the very far there is a one-time use clip, so just hammer it out to get that far O-ring kind of design off. So you're giving the hammer, just beating it up. Okay, so the clip is right there, so just try to gently pull it out, just like so. And there is a one-time use clip right here. How I'm going to put it back, no idea. Okay, so we need to get our special tool to get it off. So before you remove it, by the way, you need to take a look at if it looks the same, so you would not do the job twice. And also, if you change in the outer, check if the thread, everything goes there. How about if it will go to the older one? Older, same thing, it's good. Okay, so there is a special tool that you can rent out from AutoZone. So it's a tube with the big range, so you're putting it and kind of unscrewing it, and this is the sockets to like choose which one goes there. Small, there is different sizes. So how it works, so you need this gun to make your life easy. So you're putting it, so this is the locking mechanism, so you can unlock, put it on and lock it. But here what we need to do first, so we need to put the socket first, put the tube, and then all put it together and lock it. I'll try to show it to you guys. So you're putting it first, then tube, and then locking it up, just like so. And then taking your tool, so something just like this. Okay, so it's off. So there was some kind of a washer there. Okay, I will leave it there. Let's get my stuff off. So what I will do, I'll clean it good and going to put the thread locker there. So even though this will have some thread lock also on it, but I'll put some fresh. And over there also. I don't think so it will hurt. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Looking good. So tie down by the hands, and then with that special tool after it. Okay. And then with that special tool, same thing. So just putting it and lock it up. And just to be for sure. Okay. Now it's tight. Definitely it's tight. So I'm putting the boot first. Where is the boot? Just inspect the boot. Make it looks good. Okay, one more right here. Just push it from the inside. And assembled everything back. So the boot goes. When it goes there, it's supposed to be go right there. Just like so. And right there also. Don't forget this clip first, and then nut. Okay, and the inner. So the inner we're putting in, and then I usually just use the metal wire, and I just twist, like twisting it up. And after that, so let's put a nut somewhere in the middle. And twist our new tire end. So this thing have a self-locking nut, so it will lock it. Yeah, it's nice. So something to about here. And then we're going right here. Number 17. to put the O-rings on the boot, metal wire, put the wheel back, and we're good to go.